Apparently there are several types of relationships, and it appears that friends with benefits fall somewhere in between the booty call and the causal relationship. The causal relationship and friends with benefits are pretty similar, as you share both a physical and emotional connect with your partner. Since you already have this in common, you will need to move towards getting exclusive rights. Sure, there are tons of things you can do. Increase your contact more. No one stops fringe benefits easily. Hang out together. Go on a causal date, but just don't call it that. Hey, they just opened this new restaurant that I've been dying to try. You wanna come with? Buy small gifts. You can't buy affection, but you can open the door to it. However, again, don't make it weird. OMG, so I went to this story and thought, this would be perfect for you. Yeah, these could help in making it a long-term commitment. However, if gameplay is not your thing, which it shouldn't be, then communicate it with them. Ask. That's pretty much all you have to do. You have a 50-50 chance of things going your way. Hey, you think we can take this friends with benefits to a causal relationship? They will ask what that entails, and then you can make up your own rules.